Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning students. How are you today? I hope all of you in a good condition. Today, I have a new materials about writing and reading. Okay, let's start our lesson today from writing materials. Here, I would like to explain to you how to write cover letter in job application letter. Jadi, dalam bahasa Indonesia, job application letter dikenal dengan surat lamaran pekerjaan. Surat lamaran pekerjaan itu terdiri dari dua bagian. Yang pertama adalah cover letter, dan yang kedua adalah biodata. Okay, now I will explain about how to write cover letter. Listen carefully. Okay, first, what is cover letters? Cover letter is application for employment acts as a personal advertisement. Job application contains appeal for the job along with the job seeker's personal data like name, address, qualification, and experience. Jadi, cover letter itu bisa dibilang seperti iklan pribadi kita saat kita akan melamar pekerjaan, yang biasanya itu berisi data pribadi kita seperti nama, alamat, syarat-syarat, dan pengalaman kita. Oke, next. Next, format of cover letters. Jadi, cover letter ini berisi 6 bagian. First is sender address atau alamat pengirim. The sender's address is usually put on the top left-hand corner. Jadi biasanya alamat pengirim itu berada di bagian atas, kiri atas cover letter. The second is date. The sender's address is followed by the date just below it. Jadi setelah alamat pengirim juga disertakan tanggal pembuatan surat. And the third is receiver's address. Jadi alamat penerima. The fourth is subject. Then we sum up the purpose of writing the letter in one line. Jadi kita menulis alasan atau tujuan kita menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan ini. Next, salutation. The general greetings used in formal letters are sir or madam. Jadi kita menggunakan bahasa yang formal untuk memanggil atasan kita dalam sebuah perusahaan yang kita ajukan surat permohonan pekerjaan ini. Kemudian body. This is the main content of the letter. It is either divided into 3 paragraphs or 2 paragraphs if the letter is preferred. Jadi body paragraph adalah bagian utama dalam cover letter yang biasanya terdiri dari 3 paragraf atau 2 paragraf. Oke, next. Here about format of cover letter, especially in body paragraph. Jadi pada body paragraph atau bagian utama cover letter itu biasanya kan terdiri dari 3 bagian. Dan so paragraf pertama itu berisi paragraph 1 begin the body of the letter by mentioning source from where you got the know about the job. Jadi paragraf pertama biasanya berisi tentang alasan atau penjelasan kita dari mana kita mendapat informasi tentang pekerjaan ini. Oke, paragraf 2, you are supposed to offer your candidature by briefing about your qualification, achievement, previous experiences, and your strength. Jadi dalam paragraf 2 ini kita harus menjelaskan tentang kemampuan kita, tentang pengalaman kita di pekerjaan yang sebelumnya. Next, paragraph 3, you are supposed to make a reference to the photograph, passport size, biodata, curriculum vitae, or other detail. Jadi dalam paragraf 3 ini kita bisa menyertakan foto paspor, biodata, dan atau curriculum vitae. Oke, next. Format cover letter and the body on a promising note looking forward to your positive response. Jadi, bagian dari cover letter yang selanjutnya adalah complimentary clause. The words your faithfully or your sincerely are used. Jadi, ini adalah bagian di akhir surat. Next, signature atau tanda tangan. Here, finally, you sign your name and then write your name in block letters beneath the signature. Jadi tanda tangan kita ya. And the last one is enclosures. Include the name of the document and testimonial attached along with the cover letter. They may include the following photograph, biodata, copies of certificate or CV. Jadi di bagian paling akhir cover letter kita bisa menyisipkan sertifikat yang kita punya atau CV atau biodata kita. Oke. Okay, it is about writing materials today, about how to write cover letter in job application letter. Okay, next we move to reading. Okay. Okay, now we move to reading materials. Okay, in reading materials, I have the material about reading strategy in scanning. Scanning. Okay. Okay, first, what is scanning? Scanning is fast reading technique. It is a way of reading to look for specific information in a text. Scanning can be used to look up a phone number, bus ticket, or wedding invitation. Jadi, scanning adalah salah satu teknik membaca cepat dalam reading. Biasanya itu digunakan untuk menemukan informasi yang spesifik dalam sebuah teks. Scanning biasanya digunakan untuk melihat nomor telepon, mencari nomor telepon, bus tiket, atau untuk melihat undangan pernikahan. Next. Okay, next. I have tips for scanning. The first tip is identify what you are looking for. Key terms, phrases, contents, section, for example, method or discussion. Jadi, tips yang pertama adalah mengidentifikasi apa yang kamu cari dan temukan kata kuncinya. Okay? The second is scan. The paper, running your eye quickly over the text to find what you are looking for, ignoring everything else. Jadi, mata kita harus cepat ya dalam membaca scanning ini. Kemudian yang ketiga adalah read the sentence or section around any intent of the information you were looking for. And the last tip is determine the relevance of the text for your purpose. If it is relevant, read more in detail. If not, move on. Okay, this is the tips for scanning. Okay, students. It's about our new material today. I hope you will understand. Thank you for watching this video. And remember to stay healthy and stay at home. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.